If you like our content, please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to get alerts when we introduce new videos. In this video, I'll give a quick dashboard overview of the RUCKUS Cloud mobile app. This app can be downloaded from the Apple Store for iOS devices and the Google Play Store for Android devices. So once you launch the app, you'll put in your username and password, and then you'll select Sign In, and it'll go ahead and authenticate you. And then it'll fetch the initial data from the server. So in the upper left-hand corner, you see 3 bars. If I tap on that, that'll bring up a menu. And I can go through and look at my venues, network devices, clients, and so forth. If I click on the Help menu, that'll give you some information about the app. So you'll notice on this one, it gives you the RUCKUS app version number, which is 1.1.1. If I can tap on the arrow and go back to the main screen. So this gives you alarms, venues, the AP groups, and switches. So if I tap on alarms, I don't have any alarms right now, but if I had them, it would show up here. So I'll go back. If I tap on my venues, this will bring a list of the venues that I have. If I had multiple venues, I could tap on the filter and I could sort by cities, or I could sort by venue name. And if I tap on the venue itself, this will bring up the venue and it'll give me the Google Maps location of it. If I have a floor plan, it'll show that floor plan. It shows me the networks I have. For example, if I tap on that, it'll say the Iwani Art Studio advertised these networks. You'll notice on the floor plan that there is a placement of the different devices. I could tap on the APs. And this shows a list of the APs that I have, and I could get further information by tapping on those. I'll tap on the R510, and I could scroll down, and I could look at the properties of it, which AP group it's assigned to, the floor plan that it's on, and I could get traffic information. And if I tap on the clients, I can see who's attached to it. This gives me information on the Wi-Fi clients. So for example, if I wanted to tap on one of those, I could do that. And that'll give me information on the connection time, the device, which includes the MAC address, the current session data, and so forth. So back on the venue, if I scroll down, I could tap on my switches, and you'll notice that I have one switch on that venue. I could tap on that, and that just gives me more information on that switch. It tells me the venue, the model number of the switch. If I tap on more, I can get more information. It shows where that switch is on my floor plan, and then if I tap on the ports of that switch, it'll give me details on each particular port, whether the status is up and down, what the link speed is, what VLAN it's on, and so forth. If I tap on my filter, I could sort by VLANs, I could sort by port numbers. For example, if I tap on port number, I could have my port numbers listed A to Z or Z to A or by name or whatever I want. So I'll click out of that. From the home screen, if I tap on my plus sign, I can add a switch, I can add an AP, I can add a guest, or I can add a network. So for example, if I tap on Add Switch, then I tap on Add Switch, I would choose the venue, and then I would either type in the serial number or I could scan the serial number by using the camera. And I can tell it whether it's a standalone switch or a member of a stack. So I'll go back to the home screen. If I tapped on Add an AP, I would first choose the venue, then I would either type in the serial number or I could use the camera to scan. So I'm just going to turn this off for now. If I wanted to add a network, I would tap on Add Network. And to add a network, I would give it a name, description, and then the type of network, such as pre-shared key, captive portal, and open network. We have separate videos on how to add an AP, add a switch, and add networks using the mobile app. And if I wanted to add a guest, this would be used in conjunction with a captive portal. It says a guest cannot be added since there are no guest networks set up. So the guest network would have to be set up first, so we'll cancel out on that. So this concludes a short overview of the RUCKUS Cloud mobile app.